Hello and good morning students. Today we will start with new chapter, that is decimals. Yes, before starting students, I would like to ask you a question. What is decimals? Yes students, in the lower class we have learned that decimal are a special type of fractions. Decimal are a fraction with a denominator that is a power of 10. Example 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Decimals do not have a written denominator but use a place, that is decimal point, to show the number of parts. Example 10.5. Here it shows the decimal place, it is 10 equal parts. 10.55. Here it shows the decimal place, means here 100 equal parts. 10.555. There is 3 decimal places, it means there are 1000 equal parts. So students, like this you can represent a decimal number after decimal points. So I hope you all have understood what is decimal. Let us continue with an example to learn what are decimals and how are decimals represented. Students, here you can see the decimals after 0, that is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Students, as every number has the place values, same the decimal points also has their place values. So what is the place values called? So when the place value is after the decimal, that is tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000s, 100,000s and millionths. These are the place value of the decimals. So students, let us see how to convert the fractions into decimal form. The first question says that convert the fraction 457 upon 100 into decimal form. Here you can see this is a mixed fraction. As we have learned in fraction chapter how to convert the mixed fraction into fraction. Let us see. Here you can see the question is 457 upon 100. It is a mixed fraction. So first we will convert into a fraction. So after converting the mixed fraction into fraction, it comes to 457 upon 100. Students, the basic way to understand how to put decimal, you can see that the denominator is 100. In 100 there are 2 zeros. So in the numerator, after 2 digits from ones and tens, you will put the decimal. So our answer comes to 4.57. Let us see one more question. Here the question is 49 upon 100. So here you can see in denominator it has 2 zeros. So after 2 digit we will give decimal. So 49, that is 0.49. As we can see that in the 100 place there is no digit, so we will use 0. For any number which is not there in decimal, after putting decimal we can replace into 0. So I hope you all have understood how to convert the fraction into decimal form. Students, let us see how to convert decimals into fraction. Here is the question says that 26.04 convert into fraction. Students, here you can simply see that after decimal is given after 2 digits. So it is understood that the place value of the decimal is 100 place. So the fraction in the denominator will be 100. So like this you can convert the decimal into fraction. I hope you all have understood this concept of converting fraction to decimal and decimal to fraction.